Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. Travel is one of the most enriching activities in which humans engage, connecting people to diverse cultures, histories, and natural wonders. Over the years, certain countries have emerged as top tourist destinations, attracting millions of visitors annually. These countries are celebrated for their unique offerings, ranging from historical landmarks to natural landscapes and vibrant cultures. Below is a detailed exploration of the 10 most visited countries in the world, delving into what makes each one special. 1. France. France consistently tops the list of the most visited countries, welcoming over 90 million tourists annually. Known as the Hexagon for its shape, France is renowned for its unparalleled blend of history, art, culture, and gastronomy. Iconic landmarks. The Eiffel Tower in Paris, a global symbol of romance, attracts millions of visitors. The grandeur of the Palace of Versailles, the historical significance of Mont Saint-Michel, and the medieval charm of Carcassonne further enrich the country's appeal. Art and museums. Paris alone houses some of the world's greatest museums, including the Louvre, home to the Mona Lisa, and the Musée d'Orsay, showcasing impressionist masterpieces. Culinary delights. French cuisine is a UNESCO-recognized intangible cultural heritage, featuring delicacies like croissants, foie gras, and an array of fine wines and cheeses. Natural beauty. The lavender fields of Provence, the Alps for skiing, and the sun-soaked beaches of the French Riviera provide a diverse array of landscapes. 2. Spain. Spain is celebrated for its rich cultural heritage, vibrant festivals, and stunning architecture. With over 80 million annual visitors, it ranks high among the world's top travel destinations. Architectural marvels. Antoni Gaudi's works, including the Sagrada Familia and Parc Güell in Barcelona, are iconic. The Alhambra in Granada and the historic city of Toledo showcase Spain's Moorish and medieval past. Beaches and islands. Spain boasts some of Europe's best beaches, such as Costa del Sol and the Balearic Islands, including Ibiza, known for its nightlife. Festivals. Events like La Tomatina, the running of the bulls in Pamplona, and Seville's Feria de Abril highlight the lively Spanish spirit. Culinary scene. Tapas, paella, and world-class wines like Rioja are integral to the Spanish experience. 3. United States. The United States offers a vast array of attractions, drawing nearly 80 million visitors annually. Its diversity in landscapes and cultures is unparalleled. Major cities. New York City, with landmarks like the Statue of Liberty and Times Square, epitomizes urban grandeur. Los Angeles offers Hollywood glamour, while Las Vegas is famed for its casinos and nightlife. Natural wonders. The Grand Canyon, Yellowstone National Park, and the beaches of Hawaii showcase America's natural splendor. Theme parks. Disneyland and Universal Studios are perennial family favorites. Cultural diversity. The US is a melting pot of cultures, reflected in its festivals, cuisines, and arts. 4. China. China, the world's most populous country, attracts over 65 million tourists annually. Its blend of ancient history and modern innovation makes it a unique destination. Historic sites. The Great Wall of China, the Forbidden City in Beijing, and the Terracotta Army in Xi'an are iconic. Modern metropolises. Cities like Shanghai and Hong Kong showcase futuristic skylines and vibrant urban life. Cultural richness. Traditional festivals like the Chinese New Year and Mid-Autumn Festival provide insights into millennia-old customs. Natural wonders. From the karst peaks of Guilin to the Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, China's landscapes are awe-inspiring. 5. Italy. Italy is synonymous with romance, art, and history, drawing over 60 million visitors annually. Historic cities. Rome, the capital, is home to the Colosseum, the Vatican, and the Roman Forum. Florence boasts Renaissance treasures, while Venice enchants with its canals. Art and architecture. Masterpieces by Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Raphael are scattered throughout the country. Cuisine. Italian food is beloved worldwide, from pasta and pizza to gelato and espresso. Natural beauty. The Amalfi Coast, Tuscany's rolling hills, and the islands of Sicily and Sardinia provide diverse scenery. 6. Turkey. Straddling Europe and Asia, Turkey draws over 50 million tourists annually, offering a unique blend of cultures. Historic significance. Istanbul, formerly Constantinople, is rich in history, with landmarks like the Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque. Natural beauty. Cappadocia's fairy chimneys, Pamukkal's thermal terraces, and the beaches of Antalya are must-sees. Cultural experiences. The Grand Bazaar and traditional Turkish baths provide immersive experiences. Culinary delights. Turkish tea, baklava, and kebabs are culinary highlights. 7. Mexico attracts around 50 million visitors annually, celebrated for its vibrant culture, ancient ruins, and stunning beaches. Historical sites. The Mayan ruins of Chichen Itza and the Aztec city of Teotihuacan are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Beaches. Cancun, Tulum, and Los Cabos offer pristine coastlines. Festivals. Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead, showcases Mexico's rich traditions. Cuisine. Tacos, mole, and tequila are staples of Mexican gastronomy. 8. Thailand is a Southeast Asian gem, drawing over 40 million tourists annually with its exotic charm. Beaches. Phuket, Krabi, and Koh Samui offer idyllic tropical escapes. Temples. Wat Arun and Wat Phra Cave in Bangkok are architectural marvels. Culture. Thailand's festivals, like Songkran, New Year, provide a glimpse into its traditions. Cuisine. Thai dishes like pad thai, green curry, and mango sticky rice are globally renowned. 9. Germany welcomes over 40 million visitors annually, offering a mix of historical landmarks and modern attractions. Historic sites. Berlin's Brandenburg Gate, the Cologne Cathedral, and the Neuschwanstein Castle are iconic. Cultural festivals. Oktoberfest in Munich is a world-famous celebration of beer and Bavarian culture. Natural beauty. The Black Forest, Rhine Valley, and Bavarian Alps offer stunning scenery. Urban innovation. Cities like Frankfurt and Hamburg showcase Germany's modern edge. 10. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom attracts over 40 million visitors annually, celebrated for its history, culture, and iconic landmarks. Historic landmarks. London's Buckingham Palace, Big Ben, and the Tower of London are globally recognized. Outside London, Stonehenge and Edinburgh Castle are significant. The arts. The UK's contributions to literature, music, and theatre are legendary, with institutions like Shakespeare's Globe and the British Museum. Diverse landscapes. The Lake District, Scottish Highlands, and Welsh coastlines provide breathtaking natural beauty. Culture and tradition. The monarchy, afternoon tea, and sporting events like Wimbledon highlight British heritage. Conclusion. These 10 countries illustrate the diversity of global travel destinations, each offering unique attractions that cater to a wide range of interests. Whether it's the art and romance of France, the ancient history of China, or the natural wonders of the United States, the world is filled with incredible places waiting to be explored. Together, they provide a testament to the beauty and diversity of our planet, encouraging people to venture beyond their horizons. Thank you for watching this video.